Okay, this tutorial that we're going to be doing right now is you should have made your plane move left to right, and we're going to be making it move up and down. So what we need to do is open up our object MyPlane. We need to create an event using the keyboard event for up and down. You've already done this for left and right, and so we've got up and down, and we need to create ourselves, very similar to what we've done for left and right, a variable and a jump to a given position. So you can either copy and paste those in, or you can go to control, drag your variable in, and we need to set our variable. Now our variable this time is going to be for the y-axis, because up and down has to do with the y-axis, not the x-axis, but we set it the same like we did for our left, with a value of 40 and an operation larger than. I'm not going to show you again on the room how this works, but the idea is that if the plane is on a y value, like a y coordinate that is bigger than 40, we want our plane to move up. If it's smaller than 40, we don't want it moving up anymore because it's going to go out of our screen. So the next thing we want to do is we obviously want to move it. We want to jump it to a given position, so we drag that across, and in our y we put -2. Now obviously that minus means that it goes up. If it was just 2, it would go down. Now the reason why we've only got 2 instead of 4 is because we obviously don't want it moving too quickly up and down as it can to left and right, just to keep the challenge in the game. So we tick the relative button and we click OK. So you need to do one for the down event as well. So you click on the down, we can just copy and paste this. Control C is a shortcut for copy if you haven't done that before, and Control V is paste. So we need to change these variables a little bit, and what I want you to change it to is room height. So it's kind of like the room width one that we've just done, but room height minus 120. Now you might be thinking, why minus 120 when our other ones have been 40? It's because we want to have a scoreboard bar across the bottom. So then we change this from larger than to smaller than, and we click OK. Now in our jump to given position, we obviously don't want it at -2 because that means it will go up, but we just want it at normal 2. So we do that and we click OK, and you should be able to click OK and press play. If your game hopefully looks like this, then you've completed this tutorial. Nice, easy, short one. But the idea pretty much now is you've created a plane that can fly around the screen, and it just stops a bit higher up at the bottom there. If you've done this, you've done the tutorial, so save your game and move on.